Hi friends, I'm Tarek, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a block arrows on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert block arrows shapes on your WPS spreadsheet on the computer. So first of all, go to the insert option and click on the shape option first, and here you can find a topic called block arrows. So here you can mention something like this if you just needed. The same process can be repeated. You can see a lot of different type of block arrow shapes of here, and you can just insert the every arrows. For an example, there is a curve arrow too, and you have this yellow line too to have a changes. For an example, you can just make as this type of change, and you can just change the arrow size, and also you can just expand the by clicking on this yellow, you can expand the line like this also. You can have a full customization by using this yellow lines on the top, and also you can just change the color to gradient if you just need it. Just tap here and you can see this full color on the side, so you can just change the colors from the side option. So this is how you just insert a block arrows on your shapes on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.